Claus. Push the door open.
Oh, come in. So good to see you again. Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Santa Claus, and I'm here at Grainger Market in this wonderful grotto, where you can come and see me from today up until Christmas Eve. If you want to book, just go to Eventbrite and search Grainger Grotto. Or you can go to the ourgrangermarket.co.uk website or search on Facebook for Grainger Grotto. Do come and see me at Grainger Market this Christmas and have a Merry Christmas!